Lay in my mind, escape from time. Let's go to a Neverland. I smell the cold. It feels just like home. Let's go to this never, ever, 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 ever home. Neverland home. Never, ever home. Never, ever, ever.
Palakpak po! Ayan. Thank you po.
DJ the best.
Ayan, let's clap our hands for Ate Kelsey.
Daming dispaque, tudo isso não posso me empolgar se não já saio mal.
Vai no pau, vem no pau, vai no pau, vem no pau, vai no pau, vem no pau. Vai no pau, vem no pau, vai no pau, vem no pau, vai no pau, vem no pau, vai
Kaampad and Mrs. Celia Kaampad. Once again, our debutant, Shania Kaampad. Give it a warm round of applause, please. In a land so far away, there was once a little girl with the beauty of a princess. Born on January 7, 2008, this girl is the only daughter of Mr. Arthur and Mrs. Celia Kaampad. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to introduce to you our debutant. Let us all stand and welcome our dazzling lady of the night, Miss Shania Kaampad. A round of applause, please. Thank you so much. And before we start our program, I request everyone to please stand for an opening prayer to the Lord. Na tayo pong lahat ay mag-exercise muna. Some dance number po, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, super table po tayo later. So, ayan. So, sino po nakakaalam dito ng sayaw ng Opalite? Ayan. So, may request some volunteers po to join me here in front. Ayan, sasayaw po muna tayo. So, may request, Sir Jurik. Yes, Sir Jurik. Ayan. Sino pa po yung mga available dyan? So, for birthday gift na po natin kay Naya. Ayan, sige po. Sir Jurik, come here in front. And sino pa po yung mga nandyan? So, once again po sa mga guests po natin na wala pa pong seats. Ayan, so inaayos po yung ano natin. So, balik po tayo. Sir Jurik po, sa mga friends na, Ate Nayang, may request ka po kung sino po yung mga i-volunteer natin. Sige po.
Si Alan.
Ayan, Sir Alan. Come here, Sir Alan. Sino pa po? I need 3.
Si Raymar. Si Rocky.
Ayan, yung tatlo po, so come here, requested by our debutant. So madali lang naman po ito. So sasayaw lang po tayo ng Opalite. And mamaya po, lahat po tayo. Ayan, yung tatlo po, Sir Rocky, Sir Alan, and Sir... Ano pangalan ng isa? Si Sir Alan, si Sir Rocky, at sino yung isa? Si Ray. Okay, sige po. So tayo pong lahat ay tumayo at tayo po muna lahat ay sasayaw ng kantang Opalite. Ayan, tayo po tayong lahat, gayahin lang po natin sila. So step by step po muna tayo. So paano ba yung kantang ay sayaw ng Opalite, sir? Mga sirs. Okay, sige po. First step po natin. Harap po kayo sa kanila mga sirs and mga sirs. Ayan, so first step we have... Ay, hindi nyo alam. Okay, dito po. So first step po natin, ganyan po tayo. So side, side, and dalawa. Okay, side, side, and dalawa. Right and left, right, left, tapos dalawa. Tapos, ang tawag dito? Thumbs up po tayo, thumbs up. And then, ikot. 1, 2, 3, tapos, ganyan. And then, ikot po tayo. Taas ang kamay. Okay, taas po ang kamay. And then, shake po yung puwet natin. And then, ikot. And then, gitara. Okay, left and right po yon. Okay, try po natin with the music po natin. So, galaw-galaw po tayo. Ang di po sumayaw, hindi uuwi. Sige po. So, 1, 2, 3, music! Side, side, dalawa. And thumbs up, then ikot. Then ikot. And gitara. And left and right. Isa pa po. Okay, isa pa. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, and thumbs up, and ikot. Okay, right? Okay, so na-practice na po natin. So thank you so much mga sirs. Ngayon naman po, per table po ang labanan po for today's video. Ayan, so na-practice na po natin. Ayan, so unahin po natin yung mga, syempre mag-start tayo bro. Okay, side side, tapos dalawa, and then ganyan po tayo. Okay, music! Okay, ready? Next, yeah, table 3 po. Yes. Okay, mga madams po ito, mga kaharap natin. Okay, ready? Table 3 and 1, music. Yes po ito, alam nila yan. Okay, itayo po natin. Okay, ready? Ayan, sige, careful. Okay, thank you so much. Next, we have table 5. Ayan. Ready? So, ginaling natin. Ayan. Very feminine. Okay, ikot. Okay, thank you so much. Next, we have table 6. Ayan. So, table 6 po. Ayan. Itayo mo, Sir Jurek. Ready? Okay, thank you so much. Next, we have, sana po yung bilang natin, table 8. Ano pong table kayo dyan? Ayan, kayo po ang table 7. Tinitingnan nila yung table nila, hindi nila alam. Okay, once again, I may request table 7 po to please stand and dance Opalite.
Don't you sweat it, baby. You were dancing through the lightning strikes. Sleepless in the onyx night. But now the sky is open.
Ayan, so thank you so much.
Sleepless in the onyx night. But now the sky is
Hello. Nawala na yung mic ko. Next, table 9. Ayan. So, table 9 po. Ayan. Okay, ready? Ayan. So, kayo tigabot mo ate. Okay, thank you po. Next, table 10. So, ilang tables po tayo? Ayan. So, ayan, table 10. Show us your move po. And 1, 2, music.
Don't you sweat it, baby. You were dancing through the lightning strikes. Sleepless in the onyx night. Now the sky is
Ayan, so thank you po, table 10. Next, tingnan natin yung moves po ng table 11. Kasi sinong table kaya ang marunong? Okay, what?
Don't you sweat it, baby. You
Ayan.
were dancing
Sige, mami, kembot mo, ma'am.
sleepless in the onyx night. Now the sky is
Ayan, so thank you po. Next, we have table 12. Yan. Ready?
Don't you sweat it, baby. You were dancing through the lightning strikes. Sleepless in the onyx night. Now the sky is
Ayan, so thank you po. Next, we have table 12. 12. 13. Ayan. Yes, go table 13. Okay, ready?
Don't you sweat it, baby. You were
Ayan.
dancing through the lightning strikes. Sleepless in the onyx night. Now the sky is
Ayan, thank you po. Ginalingan. Next, table 14. Ayan po, table 14. Table 14 po. Okay, sige po. Okay, dasa lang po natin yan, ayan, sa mga bisita po natin. Ayan, pangalan lang po natin, pampatangka ng antok. Okay, thank you so much, table 14.
Don't you sweat it, baby.
Okay, Sir Alan, go Sir Alan. Ayan, thank you so much. Yung mga nandito po sa likod. Okay, ready?
Don't you sweat it, baby. You were dancing through the lightning strikes. Sleepless in the onyx night. Now the sky is
Okay, one more. Tayo pong lahat ay tumayo. Okay, ikot. Okay, pose po tayo. Ayan, Lawa, give our hands a big clap po. Salamat po sa mga nag-participate. Ayan, so kiss po lahat po ng kasama po sa mga 18 candles, perfume, blue bills, gifts, and 18 roses to get ready po to really start our main program. So as I call your name po, unahin po natin yung mga 18 candles po natin. So once I call your name po, isahan na lang daw po yung pagbibigay po ng candles po natin. So as I call your name po, you may step forward here. Okay. So next po we have Angelica Catalio. Jubel Arañas. Jira Nicole Toranza. Maria Angelica Carolino. Leslie Ann Kaasi. Marina Caba. Paula Rose Castile. Kathleen Ronessa Cacho. Chris Rian Napolitano. Raymar Valdivia. Janelle Kaasi. Corazon Kaasi. And of course, Celia Kaagpad. Candles often reveals a sense of mystery and supernatural guidance. It symbolizes security and may illuminate circumstances. The 18 lights or candles signifies the important people in Shania's life who will guide the light up her way to the right path. These people are the ones who will give her hope and light in the darkness of life. You may now light the candles and share it. Soft music po. Yan ang mga kandilang sinisindihan ay simbolo ng liwanag sa buhay ng ating pong debutant. Isa na po kayo magbibigay po ng message para po sa ating debutant, starting off with Miss Krisa May Cando.
Okay. So, happy birthday, Naya. My body. I already put everything para wala akong makalimutan. So, ang ganda-ganda mo, as always. Una sa lahat, I want to tell you how proud I am to you. Sabi nga nila, malayo pa, pero malayo na. You're now in the early adulthood era. But always be the one and only sweet baby of Tita Celia and Uncle Arthur. I wish you all the good things in life, Nayang. I want to see you as the successful daughter of your parents someday and as the person you've always wanted to be. Good health always, be happy always. Basta tandaan mo na nandito ako palagi para sa'yo. Handang makinig sa lahat ng mga rants at mga chikas mo. At huwag na huwag mong kakalimutan si God sa buhay mo. As you grow, do not forget to keep your faith in Him and make your relationship with him more stronger. I love you, Nayang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nayang. I can't believe we grew up this much already. From all the lots, tears, and memories we've shared. I'm beyond grateful to have you in my life. You're not just my best friend. You're my family, my safe place, and the person who understands me like no one else. As you turn 18, I hope you realize how amazing, strong, and beautiful you truly are. You deserve all the love, happiness, and success this world can offer. No matter where life takes us, I promise I'll always be here cheering for you. And also, as long as we exist, Krisa, Anje, and I, you will always love by us. Happy 80th birthday, Nayang, my forever day one. No matter how long we are separated, since we're taking different paths, we both know that our bonds is unbreakable. Over the years, you've been my partner in crime and my secret keeper. We laughed until our stomach hurt, shared secrets, and way too embarrassing moments. Today, as you officially step into adulthood, I want you to know how proud I am of the person you become. You're not just growing older. You're growing wiser, braver, and amazing every single day. May this candle be a light that guides you through every journey you take. May it remind you no matter where life brings you, we're always be here cheering you.
Hi, Shania. Happy 18th birthday. You are as beautiful as ever. I sincerely hope you complete your studies successfully and stay healthy always. Thank you so much for our friendship and may it continue to grow and last for years to come. Be kind to yourself palagi. And lagi mong tatandaan, you're capable of so much more than you think and we're whole here rooting for you. I love you and happy 18th birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Cheng. As you step into adulthood, may your life filled with happiness, good health, and success. May you reach your dreams and continue to grow into a kind person and wishing you a bright and wonderful future.
Hi, Shania. Happy birthday. Welcome. Welcome. 18 ka na. Sana lahat ng gusto mong mangyari sa buhay ay matupad. Yan lang, happy birthday.
Hi, Chi. Happy birthday. Thank you sa mga advice mo sa akin palagi. And stay pretty and healthy. God bless.
Hi, King. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang memory na mabuo sa atin. Sabi ng pagkakaibigan. Sana more birthday pa yung dumating sa'yo. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ching. First of all, thank you sa pag-invite mo dito sa amin ngayon. As you step into this new chapter of your life, I want you to know that you are always loved, valued, and appreciated. I hope you heal from the things you don't talk about, and may God bless you and grant all your prayers. Enjoy your special day. I love you.
Happy birthday, Shania. I just want to thank you for being my friend. Even though hindi na tayo palaging nagkakasama, hindi mo pa rin ako nakakalimutan. And palagi ka pa rin andyan for me. I wish na sana maging masaya ka, not only today but every day. And sana maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo with the help of God. Palagi lang ako andito para sa'yo. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Ching. Thank you kasi andyan ka palagi nag-advise. sana nakalimutan kong sana magkaroon ka ng good health and yun lang.
Happy 18th birthday, Ching. Welcome to adulthood. Wish ko lang sa'yo sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo and enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Ching. God bless. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Andito lang kami mga kaibigan mo palagi.
Happy 18th birthday and legalization age, Shania. May this legalization of age may bring you hope, joy, and more adventure, and independence and freedom. And thank you for being a good friend, and I always listen to your rants, to your problems. I'm all ears because I believe that kapag dito ako, dyan ka rin para sa akin. Handa akong makinig sa'yo gaya ng pakikinig mo sa akin. May God bless you in ma-achieve mo yung mga dream mo sa buhay. Thank you.
Hi, Chin. Just wanna greet you happy 18th birthday. Thank you for being supportive and caring to us. And sana mahanap mo na yung the one. And yun lang. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Shania. Deserve mo ang mga blessings na dumating sa'yo. Sana mga blessings pa ang dumating sa'yo. Love you.
Happy birthday na 18th birthday na yan. And sana palagi kang healthy at sana makinig sa lahat ng pangalan ng mga magulang at sana ay para maabot mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Happy birthday ulit na yan. Happy birthday!
Masaya ako na yan sa araw na to kasama pa kita. At sana marami pang birthday na makakasama pa rin tayo. Mag-aral kang mabuti dahil yan ang way for you to success. And mahal na mahal kita na yan.
Yeah, thank you so much for once again our 18 candles. So, ayan, once again our 18 candles. Okay, once again for the pictorial. Yes po, first half po muna. Once again, the 18 candles, first half.
One more. And walkie pose naman po lahat. Walkie pose.
Okay.
Okay po.
Okay, next po, the second half. Up next po, get ready for the 18 blue bills.
Ano kayo po ready? And go. Number 1, 2, 3. Walkie po, walkie pose. Okay po.
Okay, thank you po. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we now proceed to the 18 blue bills. So the 18 blue bills symbolize support, guidance, and preparation as our debutant step into a new chapter of her life. Each bill represent not only a gift, but also a heartfelt wish, encouragement, and advice for her journey into adulthood. So it's part of the program we will be calling on the 18 special people who will each present a blue bill along with a short message for our debutants. Starting off with Mr. RJ Kaasi.
Happy 18th birthday na yang. Alam mo naman na kahit hindi tayo masyadong mga pamangkin ko kasi parang hindi na yung mga millennials kasi ngayon parang hindi mo na sila masyadong makausap. So pero alam nila na bilang tito nyo, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Wala akong pamilya, wala akong mga anak, I mean. Kaya kung ano man yung mga pinaghihirapan ko sa buhay, para sa inyong lahat yan. Tandaan nyo, nandito lang ako lagi na nakasuporta sa inyo. Kung ano yung mga kailangan nyo, parang mga anak ko na rin kayo. So, happy birthday, Nayang. Mag-aral kang mabuti. Sana matupad mo lahat yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. And lagi kong inihiling sa Panginoon na sana proteksyonan niya kayo, i-guide niya kayo lagi sa mga ginagawa nyo sa buhay nyo, saka sa mga desisyon nyo sa buhay nyo. So, laging magdasal sa Panginoon na lahat ng mga desired natin sa buhay, mga prayers, sana siya na ang bahalang lahat sa atin. So, happy birthday, Nayang. Love na love ka ni Tito Noy.
Ayan, thank you so much, Sir RJ. Next in line, we have Mr. Benito Benasbas.
Hello, good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Shania, happy birthday. Inaano ko po si Shania nung ninong ako. So, happy birthday. Always obey your parents, love, of course, and follow your dreams, mag-aral mabuti, at saka unahin mo yung priority mo para maging successful tayo sa ano. At saka, kahit hindi man tayo laging nakikita, pihira, pero if you want my advice, just tell to your mom. So, happy birthday, I love you, Nan.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for your support and warm message. Next in line, we have Ma'am Cherry Kampad. Music.
Happy birthday, Nayang. Ang bilis ng panahon. Nung nasa Israel kami, ang liit-liit mo pa. Ngayon, dalagang-dalaga ka na. Enjoyin mo lang yung magiging pagdadalaga mo. Huwag kang magmamadali. I love you, Dayang. God bless.
Ayan, picture po muna. Ayan. Next in line, we have Mr. Randy Kaasi.
Happy 18th birthday, Nayang.
Okay, no. Picture pa muna, Sir Randy. Next po, we have Ma'am Christy Magat. So, i-ano na lang po kung in the absence po. Next, we have Ma'am Agnes Hakob. Ma'am Agnes. Ayan po. Representative po.
Representative po ako ng kabatch namin. Kumain. Happy birthday, Shania. Embrace the journey and never afraid to choose your dream. Always be a good and loving daughter to your parents, to you and mom and your dad, and kind sister to your brother. From Ninang Agnes Jacob.
Picture po ulit, sir. Okay, thank you po for your warm message and support. Next, we have Ma'am Iyang Kaalaman. Yes. Message po.
Happy birthday, Nayang. Sa pagsapit ng ika-80th birthday mo,
Naway maranasan mo ang mas malalim na pag-ibig at gabay ng Diyos sa bawat hakbang ng iyong tatahakin. Sa pagiging ganap na dalaga ay simula ng mas maraming hapon at responsibilidad. Ngunit huwag kang mangamba, kasama mo ang Diyos sa pagbawat pagbabay. Magtiwala ka sa kanyang plano sapagkat sa kanyang oras ay laging perpekto at kanyang pagmamahal na walang hanggan. Dasal ko sa iyong puso ay laging puno ng pananampalataya, pag-asa at pagsasalamat. Patuloy ka magpalay ng karunungan, kabutihan at kalakasan upang tuparin ang iyong mga pangarap sa buhay. Maligayang 18th birthday ng aking inaanak. Naway maging makabuluhan at pinagpalang bagong kabanata ng iyong buhay.
Picture muna, ma'am. Thank you so much. Next, we have Ma'am Giselle Juan. Ma'am Giselle. Ayan, proxy po. Ma'am, yes.
Happy birthday, Shania. Since wala si Ate Giselle, ako muna daw ang proxy. Basahin ko na lang yung message siya para sa'yo. Happy 18th birthday, Shania. Today marks a beautiful milestone in your life. Not just the start of adulthood, but the celebration of the incredible person you already are. 18 years of kindness, strength, laughter, and quiet courage have shaped you into someone truly special. As you step into this new chapter, may you always trust your heart, chase what sets your soul on fire, and never doubt your worth. May your days be filled with purpose, your nights with peace, and your journey with love, growth, and unforgettable moments. No matter how where life takes you, remember that you are deeply loved, endless capable, and deserving of every beautiful thing ahead. Always ask God's guidance in your life. Happy 18th birthday, Shania. Love, Tita Giselle. Happy birthday, Ne.
And thank you, ma'am. And picture po. Up next po, we have Ma'am Gia Itradan.
Hello. Maabi kaya yabi kunta mo nga. Yabi na kunta mo nga, men. Adabista mo na ako. Happy birthday. Mariga ako ni... Kala mo ako sa wanin, sa special nin, auro mo. Inaanapan naman kasi sinaya. Halos na ibalita rin ang amin na akong mabista nin wishes para kumo. Si may dawat ko tanan, mairpo ko is sarbanin lamanan puso mo. Dawat na, tanda ko nin, ibinay nga amin nin katawan na Diyos ko mo. Saya ka nin mabait nin bata. Berno iti kay na sa 18 sa aninin edad, tanda ko nin sarba sunod mo sarang pirmi matua mo. Sarba niya yun say anin ra advice ra ko mo kasi siin adalan para maabot mo nga amin anin mo sa biyay na ako. Kasi maging successful ka sa biyay sumunir nin auro. Dan ika man pirmis nin sentro sa biyay mo katawan a Diyos. Sinta mo tan happy birthday.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Picture po. Thank you, ma'am. Next, we have Ma'am Antoinette Lalangan.
Hello, Shania. First and foremost, I would like to thank you and your wonderful parents for inviting me over. Malayo man ako, talagang pinilit kong makarating. I'm from Mapandan, Pangasinan po. If you're not familiar with my place, it's 10 minutes away from Manawag, Pangasinan. The last time I was here was 7 years ago. Best friend po ako ni RJ sa College of Nursing. And nasubaybayan ko rin yung paglaki ni Shania. So, I'm happy that I'm witnessing this wonderful milestone of your life. I'm wishing you a happy birthday. Enjoy your freedom. Welcome to adulthood. But be responsible enough for all your decisions. And still, listen to your parents. Okay? I love you, Shania.
Thank you, Mama Antoinette, for your warm message and support. Next, we have Ma'am Marilu Kasi.
Happy 18th birthday, Apo, Nayang. Siwis ko po mo, Nayang. Siwis ko po mo, Nayang. About ko mo na rumata ng birthday mo. Salkang pirmi ko ng katawan. Halos na ibarita rin ang aming kasi importante, wanay na tito RG mo. Mag-adal kan maong. Isa niya si tito mo na RG nin manoporta nin pirmi. Anti kaya po kita mag-apo. Mag-adal kayo, garno. Anin, makayadi kan mag-adal, maririkat saray magulang mo. Sa isumunor sa magulang, alaki bindisyon ng katawan. Dumasala pirmi, kunang katawan ta no kinaiaburo ya katawan adawat kasan magwata mo kanya i-commit permi ko ng katawan. Happy birthday, Apo, aninta mo. God bless.
Okay, next po we have Liza Kaampad. Okay, sorry po. Nalagpasan siya kanina. I am, deeply, po. Yes, I'm sorry po. Nalagpasan siya kanina.
Okay lang. Happy birthday, Naya. The beautiful Dibuda. Ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon. Alam ko naman simula noon hanggang ngayon maganda ka. Ang wish ko lang na mag-aral ng mabuti. Alam ko naman na magaling ka sa school. Pero dapat aral muna bago boyfriend. Thank you. Thank you sa pag-invite sa akin. Thank you. Happy birthday ulit.
Yes po, sorry ma'am. Next po, we have Irene Clave.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. On behalf of your Tita Irene, happy and blessed 18th birthday, beautiful Nayang. This is the day that the Lord has made, and let God grant what is in your heart and fulfill all your plans. Basta isali palagi si Lord sa mga pangarap at mahalin mo palagi sila mama at papa, ganun din sa kuya mo. Gawin mo palaging sentro si Lord sa lahat ng bagay. We love you, Nayang. Love, Tita Irene.
Thank you po, Sir Lexter. Next, we have Ma'am Evangeline Kaampad. Okay, may message po. Yan, I will do the honor po to read the message of Ma'am Evangeline for Ate Naya. So, happy birthday, happy 18th birthday, my dear Nayang. Today marks a very special milestone in your life. Now that you've grown up, I hope you truly understand the deeper meaning of your debut. It's not just about turning 18, it's about stepping into adulthood with responsibility, courage, and grace. These moments represent all the lessons you've learned, the dreams the dreams you're beginning to chase, and the beautiful future waiting ahead of you. I may not be perfect aunt, and I know that I may not always say or do the right things. But please know this, my love and support for you have always been sincere. I have watched you grown into a strong, kind, and thoughtful young woman, and my heart is so proud for who you are becoming. As you move forward in life, always stay true to yourself, be brave enough to follow your dreams, wise enough to learn from your mistake, and humbly enough to keep growing. Most importantly, never forget to love, respect, and appreciate your parents. They have sacrificed so much, guided you with unconditional love, and stood by you every step of the way. Honor them not just with words, but through the actions and the life you've choose to live. May your journey be filled with faith, happiness, and meaningful experiences, and endless blessing. Remember that challenges will come, but they are meant to shape you, not to stop you. You are capable of so much more than you realize. Happy debut, my beautiful niece. I love you and I will always be here cheering on you, today and always. Love, Auntie Banji. Next po, we have Ma'am Jessica Kaampad. Ma'am Jessica. Yes.
Birthday, Naya. Happy birthday, Shania. As you turn 18, pray life, teach your lessons that makes you stronger, kinder, and wiser. Chase your dreams with courage, but don't forget to enjoy the journey along the way. There will be challenges, but I hope you face them with confidence and faith in yourself. Always stay humble, stay true to your values, and never lose the goodness in your heart. Always be grateful and pray to our Creator for the guidance and mercy. Enjoy your day, celebrate big, and look forward to an amazing future ahead. Welcome to adulthood. Your story is just beginning. With love, Ate Ikan.
Yan, picture po, ma'am. Okay, up next po, we have Sir Jonathan Kaampad. Ayan, si ma'am po ulit. Yan, after po ng 18 blue bills, please get ready for all the participants of the 18 gifts. Thank you po. Next, we have Sir Edmond Camba. Ayan, si Sir.
Hi. First of all, it is very nice to meet you. It's our first time crossing our paths. We're actually, we are siblings in God. Kasi my dad is your godfather, yung ninong mo. And a while ago, I had no idea that I was going to read out a letter to you. So kanina, I asked my dad to make a letter. Unfortunately, wala siya dito because of work. And sabi ko kasi gumawa ka ng liham, Dad. Sabi niya, ilihim mo na lang. So I panicked. But thankfully, he made up with a letter. And so this is his letter. Happy 18th birthday. Soon you would be stepping on a different environment and would be seeking the answer to the question that always ask yourselves about our purpose in life. You may find yourself inclined to medicine, law, business, or engineering. These are noble pursuits and necessary to sustain life. But faith, love, and romance, and happiness, these are what we live for. May our faith in God remains strong so that you may stay as a gift to all your loved ones. Again, happy birthday and thank you for inviting us in this momentous event in your life. Love, Edmund Campbell. My name is Ziv, and as a God sibling, I would always say sa mga kaibigan ko na nag-18, 18 ka na, pwede nang makulong. Kaya mag-iingat ka, you know? And I have a verse for you. From the rising to the sun to its setting, in the name of the Lord we praise. You know? May God bless you and guide you through your journey, and remember to glorify His name in everything you do. Again, nice to meet you. I'm Ziv. Happy birthday.
Thank you, sir. Picture po. And next po, we have Ma'am Zuzette Toscano. Ay, hindi na po. Yes, abot na lang. Yan. Once again po, tinatawagan po ulit lahat po ng 18 candles. First half po, as I call your name, please step forward. Sir RJ, Blue Bills po pala, sorry. RJ Kaasi, Benito Binasbas, Elisa Kaampad, Sherry Kaampad, Randy Kaasi, Christy Magat, Agnes Hakub, Iyang Kaalaman, and Ma'am Giselle Juan. Our first half. Thank you po. Next half po, Ma'am Gia Idradan, Antoinette Lalangan, Marilu Kaasi, Irene Clave, Evangeline Kaampad, Jessica Kaampad, Jonathan Kaampad, Edmond Camba, and Suzette Toscano. Again, thank you po for the 18 blue bills. Thank you so much once again, our 18 blue bills. And now we come forward to the 18 gifts. So ladies and gentlemen, we will now proceed to another meaningful part of our program, the 18 gifts. So the 18 gifts symbolizes love, care, and thoughtful wishes for our debutante as she begins a new chapter in her life. So each gift carried a special meaning, reminding that she is surrounded by people who support and cherish her. In this portion of program, we will be calling on 18 special individuals who have prepared a gift in a short message for our debutante. So starting off with the 18 gifts, may we call on Alex Andrea Carion.
Hello, Nayang.
Happy 18th birthday. Stay healthy always and God bless you. Ayan.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Alexandria. Next po, may I call on Anjanette Kides.
Hello, Naya. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Good health and God bless you always.
Yan, pick po, Ma'am Jeanette. Up next po, we have Kelsey Cardona. Ayan, si Baby.
Happy Ate, God bless you.
Tomas Gumangan. Sound check. Tapos na po. Next po, we have Sir Billy Ray Beats Gumangan. Sir Billy Ray. Billy Ray Beats.
Happy birthday, Naya.
Thank you, sir. Next, we have Maylie Saint Gumangan.
Muli na yan, happy birthday dahil wala si Nene, ako na lang.
Yan, picture po. Next in line, may I call on Ma'am Mary Joy Gumangan.
Yan, so good evening po sa ating lahat. Ako po ay Lola. Lola na po ni Shania. Dahil ang kanyang lolo ay kapatid ng aking papa. Bali magpinsan po kami ni Angkay Ason. Pamangkin ko si Celia, pero ang tawag ko sa kanya ay Ate Celia. Okay, so Shania. Actually, hindi siya message. Gusto ko pong sabihin kung ano ang simbolo ng laman o yung regalo ko. Ang regalo ko ay sumisimbolo ng kasaganaan, diba? Swerte, at patuloy na biyaya sa buhay. Panatilihing may laman upang kailanman ay di ka kakapusin at maghihirap sa buhay. Para nahulaan ni Madam. Kasi nagtatrabaho si Madam sa bangko. Ayan. Next. May account ako dyan kay Madam. Ang larawan, dahil may laman siyang larawan ng pamilya, na nasa loob nito ay nagpapakita ng pagmamahal, pagkakaisa, at inspirasyon. Bilang paalala na ang pamilya ang pinagmumulan ng lakas at gabay sa bawat tagumpay na iyong makakamtan. Makakasama mo sila sa hirap at kasaganaan at sila lang ang manatiling sandalan mo sa habang buhay. So, Shania, happy 18th birthday. Nasa legal age ka na, but it doesn't mean na pag nasa legal age is kailangan mo nang papsukin ang isang napakahirap na desisyon ng pakikipagrelasyon. Unahin mong mag-aral, isipin mong mabuti ang lahat ng mga nais mo sa buhay, at sa lahat ng mga nais mo sa buhay, sana nandun lagi ang gabay ng iyong mga magulang. Nandyan si mama mo, si papa mo, at ganun din si kuya mo. Nandyan din ang mga tito, tita, lolo, at lola. Nandito rin kami iyong mga kapamilya. At panghuli, sana hindi mo makakalimutan ang iyong pananampalataya sa Diyos. Dahil sa lahat ng mga naisin mo, hindi lahat yan mangyayari po kapag wala ang Diyos na magiging sentro ng iyong buhay. Muli, happy 18th birthday and God bless you always. Nagmamahal, Lola.
Thank you, Ma'am Mary Joy. Next, we have Ma'am Rose Ann Gumangan.
Happy 18th birthday, Shania. Sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. At huwag makakalimot sa Diyos. Maging responsable sa lahat ng mga gagawin at desisyon mo sa buhay. God bless.
Ayan, thank you, Ma'am Rose Ann. May we call on Ma'am Glory Gumangan.
Aya, sa araw na ito, naway mapuno ang iyong puso ng walang hanggang kasiyahan at pagmamahal. Happy 18th birthday.
Picture, Ma'am. Ayan, thank you, Ma'am Glory. Next po, Kagawad Jason Gumangan.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Happy birthday, Nayang. Nabanggit na nila lahat ng magagandang mensahe para sa iyo, kaya masasabi ko lang, pagbutihin mo ang iyong pag-aaral at makinig ka lagi sa iyong mga magulang. Gawin mo nawang inspirasyon ng iyong mga magulang para makapagtapos ka at maabot lahat ng iyong pangarap. Happy birthday.
Thank you po, Kagawad. Next, we have Ma'am Janice Kaakbay.
Happy birthday, Naya. Since nabanggit na nila ang lahat, babasahan na lang kita ng verse sa Bible. So, lagi mong isipin to, Romans 15 verse 13. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust Him. Basta lagi kang magtiwala sa Diyos at lagi magpakumbaba. At yung arang mabuti.
Thank you, Ma'am. Next, we have Ma'am Marlita Gumangan. Okay. Okay, next po, Ma'am Rosie Consul.
Happy birthday, Nayang. Parang kailan lang, dalagang-dalaga na si Nayang. Nasabi na nila sa lahat ang magandang mensahe para sa'yo. Kaya masabi ko lang sa'yo, mag-aral ka ng mabuti para matupad mo ang iyong pangarap. At para si mama mo, masaya siya. Happy birthday, Nayang.
Thank you po. Next, we have Ma'am Maggie Carillo.
Happy birthday ni Asa wish ko tako mo. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay matupad mo. God bless you always.
Thank you po. Next, we have Ma'am Julie Kaasi. Ayan si Ma'am.
Itong message na to is hindi lang galing kay mama, galing din sa akin. So, happy 18th birthday, Ching. Today makes a new chapter, a new adventure, and also a new you. You're officially an adult now, and I'm beyond proud of the person you are becoming. Remember to chase your dreams, take risks, and never settle for less. 18 ka na, and you have so many things to explore pa, but also remember your priorities and limitations. So, you deserve all the happiness in this world. I love you so much.
Picture mo muna, picture. Ayan, Janang, sama ka natin, Janang. Ayan, sama po si Ate Janang. The next may we call on Ma'am Elvira Kaampad. Ma'am Elvira Kaampad. Ayan po siya.
Birthday, Nayang. Ang wish ni Ate Wilding, mag-aral ka daw mabuti. Alam mo na yon.
Thank you po. Special thanks po to Ma'am Kylie Ann Magat and Oni Andrea Kaampad for their gifts. So once again po, tinatawagan po ulit ang first half po the 18 gifts. We have Ma'am Andrea Carion, Ma'am Anjanette Kides, Kelsey Cardona, Elginara Cristel Magat, Isaiah Tomas Gumangan, Billy Ribetes Gumangan, Maylicen Gumangan, and Ma'am Mary Joy Gumangan for their photo op. Compress po.
Already in 1, 2, 3. One more. And some more goes naman po. Okay.
Next po, for the second half, we have Ma'am Rose Ann Gumangan, Ma'am Glory Gumangan, Kagawa Jason Gumangan, Ma'am Janice Kaakbay, Ma'am Marlita Gumangan, Ma'am Rosie Consul, Ma'am Maggie Carillo, Ma'am Julie Kaasi, and Ma'am Elvira Kaampad. After po ng 18 gifts, we will resume our program later on pagkatapos po natin kumain. So, the dinner will be served afterwards. post. Okay, thank you so much. Ayun po, dako na po tayo sa ating pong dinner na po. So bago po tayo... Ayan, so once again, nakasan. Okay, isa pa po ng malakas. Paulit po ng music in 1. Okay, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, there you have it. Thank you so much. Okay, namatay po. Ano? Tapos po natin. Ay, tapos na po.
Uy, huwag kayo mag-away. Tatlo. Masuntok kayo. Maharang. Upo kayo. Upo. Upo. Ayan, once again, palabakan po natin ang ating pong debutant. So nakita natin how she grow into a young lady. So once
Thank you so much. Next we have table 3.
Okay, ready po. And 1, 2, 3. Last one po. 1, 2, 3. And isang waki pose naman po, waki pose. Okay po.
Next we have table 4. Yan, once again, we would like to thank Zia's Catering Services. Yan, for the beautiful decor and catering services they provide us tonight. Yes po, tonight. For more inquiries, you may ask Ma'am Bibilin Castro. They are located at Barangay Buided, Bolinao, Pangasinan.
Lipat po kayo dito. Yan. Okay po, ready and 1, 2, 3. Okay, isang waki pose naman po. Kahit anong pose. 1, 2, 3, basta waki. Okay po.
Next po, we have table 5.
Sure ba pala nito? Sure. Maabot pa rin. Ano sabi, Mike? Ano sabi? Kinausap mo? Takalong. Pwede po ano, side-by-side ko lang po kayo lahat para kumaliwasan eh. Okay, sige po. Ready po, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, last one. Isang waki pose naman po. Isang waki. Okay po.
Thank you so much. Next we have table 6. Ayan, yung pila po natin, ay curve na lang po natin dito sa may side. Yan, once again, after the dinner po, we will resume our program, including the 18 perfumes and the 18 roses. 18 perfumes and 18 roses.
Waki pose naman po, waki. Dalawa pa na. Gusto ko mag-85.
Ayan, ayusin po natin yung pila natin. Ayan, so puno pa po tayo. Okay, back to table 1. Andito po pala yung table 1 sa taas. Once again, thank you po, Zia Decor and Zia Event Decor and Services for our catering service for tonight. For inquiries po, you may contact Ma'am Bibilin Castro and they are located at Barangay Buyuden, Bolinao, Pangasinan. Ayan po, wait lang po nila sa likod ha. Yan, shout out po kay Gian, kay JV, Limuel de la Cruz.
Sige na, mamaya naman pa shout out. Next table po, we have table 8. Ay po, sorry po pala. 7. Mauna po ang 7 sa 8. Sorry. Yan, big shoutout daw po kay Yanzi. And up next po, ito na po talaga, table 8. Yan, table 8 po. Right after po the dinner, specifically the 18 perfumes and the 18 roses. Ayan, thank you so much. Next po. Okay, next po sa mga gusto po magpa-picture po with our debutant. Ayan, next po yung mga nandyan sa gilid. Sa likod po.
Kung magaganyan ka lang, di ano na lang gawin mo.
Likod po ng white screen of
Yung
actor.
shadow. Yung naka-shadow.
Okay, next po. Ayan, sa mga gusto makipag-picture po. Thank you so much.
Picture po ulit po na.
Niyaya mo sa bawat saglit. Kapag naalala ka, wala naman akong magawa. Umuwi ka na baby, hindi lang ako sanay na wala ka. Mahirap pang mag-isa, at sa gabi na napanap kita. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na makasama ka muli sa buhay ko, puno ng paghihirap. At tanging ikaw lang ang pumapawi sa mga luha, naglalagay ng ngiti sa mga labi. Di mapigilang mag-isip na baka sa tagal mahulog ang loob mo sa iba. Kakabalisa na kung huwag naman sana. Umuwi ka na baby, hindi na ako sanay na wala ka. Mahirap pang mag-isa, at sa gabi na napanap kita. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na makasama ka muli sa buhay
sorry. Thank you, sir. Umuwi na daw tayo. Charot. Okay, wala pa mo nang uuwi. Ayan, busog na po ba tayo? Tulog na po ata sila.
I'm already and compress mo na. Tingin. One more. Waki boss, waki.
Thank you so much. As she enters a new chapter of life, just like a fragrance, may her presence leave a mark of kindness, grace, and confidence wherever she goes. In this part of program, we will be calling on 18 special individuals who will each present a perfume along with a short message or wish for our debutant. So first, we call on Ma'am Jeraine Kaasi. Yes po. Picture taking na lang po. Next perfume, Jasmine Casta. Next po, we have Julian Rose Kaasi. Message pa ba to? Next po, we have Angel Ponce. May message. Next, we have Cassandra Selly. Message. Ayan, lapit lang po dito kapag may personal message po tayo. Next po, we have Jenaline Ambrosio. Up next po, we have Ayesa Kaompay. Next po, we have Jovelyn Consul. Up next po, we have Mary Joy Cardona. May message po. Next po, we have Lindsay Balmores. Thank you po. Next, we have Janessa Leron. Thank you so much. Next, we have Blaika Rique. Thank you so much. Next, we have Crystal Jane Cacho. Thank you so much. Next, we have Jenny Kaasi. Thank you so much. Next, we have Margaret Kakbay. Thank you so much. Next, we have Mary Joy Casta. Next po, we have Noriel Tarion. Thank you so much. And next we have Angelica Tobias. That concludes our 18 perfumes. And may we call on again our 18 perfumes. First half, we have Jereen Kaasi, Jasmine Casta, Jillian Rose Kaasi, Angel Ponce, Cassandra Selly, Jenaline Ambrosio, Ayesa Kaampad, and Javelin Consul. For your photo op. Next po, we have Mary Joy Cardona, Lindsay Balmores, Janisa Liron, Laika Rique, Crystal Jane Cacho, Jenica Asi, Margaret Kakbay, Mary Joy Casta, Noriel Carrion, and Angelica Tobias. Thank you so much. And now may we come to the one of the most meaningful part of tonight's celebration, the 18 roses. Love, respect, and the important men whose will help shape the lives of our debutante. So each rose represents a promise of care, protection, and support as she enters a new chapter of her life. So in this part of the program, we will be calling on 18 gentlemen to each present a rose and dedicate a dance to our debutante. So, may request for our music po. Something sweet po. We will start the 18 Roses, starting off with Sir Randy Kaasi. Asan po yung mga roses natin? Yan, wait lang po kasi inaayos kinukuha po yung mga roses natin. Starting off with Sir Randy Kaasi. Next in line po, we have Sir Rocky Kaiga Jr. So much. Next we have Yancy Kisai. Thank you po. Next we have Alexander Carion. Next we have Gian Carl Kaangban. Next we have Ian Jarvi Del Miero.
You're my peace of mind. In this
Thank you po. Next we have Percy Lim.
You're everything I've tried to.
Percy Lim po.
You're
Percy.
is a
On behalf po, may request Sir Jeric Gumangan.
You're my rainbow skies, and my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes.
Thank you, sir. Next we have Noah Ezekiel Purgado. sir. Next we have Jim Roson Kilimberino. Thank you, sir. Next we have Sean Andre Goloke. Thank you, sir. Next we have Mark Ruchin Valdez. Thank you, sir. Next we have Aaron Harvey Spino.
Keeps freezing out my skin. I pretend you still hold me.
Crowd's favorite. Lapit na, sir. Ayan, bigyan po natin sila ng sometimes para ma-enjoy yung moment. Thank you so much. Next we have Earl John Kaasi. Thank you, sir. Next we have JB Carolino. Thank you, sir. Next we have Prince Aldrin Carolino. Next, sir, we have Charles Kaampat, our debutant's eldest brother. Yeah, let's spare some time po for sa brother and sister dance. And for our final rose, we call on the very special person who holds the truly important place in our debutant hearts. Please welcome Mr. Arthur Kaampat, our debutant's father. And bigyan po natin ng time for his dad's daughter. so much, sir. You may stay put ka po muna dyan. So, tinatawagan po ulit yung first half ng ating po mga 18 roses. Sir Arthur, stay put ka na po dyan. So, Arthur Kaampat, Charles Kaampat, Prince Aldrin Carolino, JB Carolino, Earl John Kaasi, Mark Joseph Ancheta, Aaron Harvey Spino, Mark Rugid Valdez, and Sean Andre Doloque for our first half. Sir Charles? Go. But I finally feel alive. Once again, the first half of our 18 roses. Thank you po. Next, our second half, Jim Ronson Carinderino, Noah Ezekiel Purgado, Jeric Gumangan, Kian Harvey Del Piero, Gian Carl Kaampat, Alex Xander Carion, Yancy Kizay, Rocky Kaase, and Randy Kaase. Tama. Our second half. Thank you so much. It is now time to distribute the souvenir of our debutant. So, Ma'am Sergio will do the honor to distribute the souvenir. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, after all the wonderful messages, gifts, and heartfelt gesture, we have
Thank you kay Tito Noy po for sponsoring my gown. At talagang pinag-supportan niya pong hanapin yung gantong kulay. And kay Mama at Papa po, thank you so much po kasi pina-experience niyo po sa akin yung gantong event ng buhay ko po. And sa mga friends ko po na pumunta, thank you so much kasi mahal kayo po yung part ng program. And sa mga teachers ko po na pumunta po, thank you so much din po. And sa mga ibang bisita po na pumunta. And sa mga nakipag-color coding po, thank you so much po sa inyo. Silang
Thank you so much. Once again, our debutant, Ate Shanaia, is now officially of legal age. A round of applause po para sa ating debutant once again. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as we come to an end of this wonderful celebration, we would like to thank each and every one for you being part of this special night. So your present, warm smile, and heartfelt participation truly made this debut meaningful and memorable. So to all our families, relatives, friends, and loved ones, thank you for sharing your time, love, and support with our debutant. So as we close this program, let us continue the celebration with food, laughter, music, and joyful moments. So may tonight be remembered as a beautiful beginning of a new chapter of Shania's life. So once again, congratulations to our debutant and thank you for all celebrating with us. So have a pleasant evening po and enjoy the rest of the evening. I'm your host Gilbert C. Casa, now signing off.
Yakap-yakap po tayo, ganun po tayo. Ayan, group hug po, group hug.
Yeah, so once again sa mga gusto po makipag-picture po with our debutant, This is your chance po para makapagpa-picture po tayo. Ingat po tayo sa pag-uwi and good night.
Okay po, isang